100 shirts for only $395. 20 shirts for only $100.
Greenleaf Printing and Designs has stupendous signage, printed and embroidered apparel, and promotional products for you. They're at 5526 Burkhart Road in Dayton and on the web at greenleafprinting.com.
Johnson, in appreciation for your continuous support to bring in confidence and richness to the African American Cultural Festival. We love you. Y'all give it up for him. This is the plaque.
Thank you very much. They know I hate surprises. They planned me a surprise birthday party, and I figured out what they were doing, and I surprised them. I didn't show up. I called them and said, "Is the party over?" But on behalf of, I can't take any credit alone for anything that WDO is doing. First of all, thank God. Thanks to a wonderful...
We're giving God some praise. Is that all right? Come on, give us a hand. Come on, come on. I ain't gonna hold you long. Listen. I'm 27 and I'm crazy for Jesus, Mama. I'm 27 and I'm crazy for Jesus. Anybody crazy for Jesus? Let me see you wave your hand. Come on. Somebody say I'm crazy for Jesus. Listen, I'm on a time schedule. I'm obedient. I got one song, I'm being obedient. All right? It's a little song we do. I want to go back down to Canton, Mississippi. And it's a group called the Canton Spiritual to sing a song, I Got Jesus. Can we sing it tonight? Is that all right? Somebody say, go ahead and sing it. Listen, fellas, let's have a little church. Put them hands up, come on. Somebody show us some hands, come on. Yes, I'm getting ready to leave you, fellas. Go listen. I got Jesus, I got Jesus, I got Jesus. Everybody in here, you know you got Jesus. Jesus, wave your hand. You got Jesus, I got Jesus. I got Jesus, I got Jesus. I got Jesus, I got Jesus. You got a friend when you're lonely. If you got Jesus, you got a doctor in the sick bed. I got Jesus. Come on, clap my hands. Come on, nigga, clap your hands. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, nigga, clap your hands. Come on, nigga, clap your hands. Just a little bit, just a little bit louder, just a little bit. Everybody in here, you know you got Jesus. Stop on your feet today. You know you got Jesus. I got Jesus. I got Jesus. I got Jesus. I got you. I got Jesus.
What's the name of your band again?
Humble Sons.
Okay. And I just thought that I was transformed into like a church somewhere in the Mississippi Delta in the 1930s,
Yes,
kind of
sir.
like where Jerry Lee Lewis and
Yes, sir.
all,
I remember all them, Doc.
yeah, all the where rock and roll just came from. And I was like, although I was just treated to a gospel performance, I was like, that is rock
Yes,
and
sir.
roll,
Yes,
and
sir.
it's like from where it all came from.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So tell me about the your guys' music and
Well, we're a quartet group. Quartet been around a long time. We're a young group, and just trying to bring quartet back. And young people really don't deal with the old time music, but the old time music what brought us together, that got us where we at today. We decided to get together and just quartet some old time music, get some old music together, and just have people think back into the older time, the good times where they got us here where we at. If it wasn't for all the Jerry Lewis and all them, the old schools, then we wouldn't be here. So we thank God for them, all the legends that went on and left us. We thank God for the old school music. We're a young group, the Humble Sons, out of Lime, Ohio, just doing what God had for us to do, Doc.
where can someone find you guys online? You got any
Yeah,
music online?
we got a Facebook. Under our
Okay.
Facebook, The Humble Sons. Type in The Humble Sons and all our pictures on Facebook and get with us and check up on us, our schedule on there for different shows and stuff like that. So we're just doing what God had for us to do. Actually, everybody pray for the Humble Son that God strengthen us where we're weak, build us up, we're torn down. God bless you.
All right, thank you for your time.
Bless you, man.
We're out here, African American Cultural Festival 2012. And
A good time.
what does, I know it means a lot of things to a lot of different people,
Right.
but what does African American culture mean to you and what makes that important and special?
To me it means life.
Life and unity?
Right.
Okay. Anything else you'd like to say about today?
Black is beautiful.
All the time.
All right, well, I thank you so much for your time. You all have a nice day.
I felt like singing when I come. Felt like singing when I come. Felt like singing when I come. Lean on the Lord. I felt like shouting when I come. Out the wilderness. Shouting when I come. Out the wilderness. Felt like shouting when I come. Out the wilderness. Lean on the Lord. Did you feel like praying when you came out the wilderness? I'm the Father who already came out the wilderness. How did you feel when you came out the wilderness? Was leaning, my Lord, leaning on the Lord's side. Well, I'm leaning on Jesus. I'm leaning on Him. 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 I'm leaning on Him. I'm leaning on Him. I'm leaning on Him.
What does African American culture mean to you? What's special about it, and why is everyone out here today?
African American culture. You're talking about the older people that paved the way for us, young artists like us, young people like us, people that paved the way. Now, African American means a lot to me, you know, and a lot of slavery days and days back then. I thank God for them going through that and bringing us together as a culture, from the white, the blacks, the Chinese, coming together as one to do this thing together. We don't believe in just black, black people just for the black culture. I think it's a culture of everybody. Whites, black, and Chinese. African culture, this affair means everything to me, to everybody. White, black, Chinese, whatever it is. And so I just thank God that we all come together and get along and fellowship. That's what it's about, fellowship with one another, having a good time, treating everybody right, treating everybody the same. So I thank God for the African American culture. But to me, as a young man, Justin Lester, I believe the culture for everybody, white, black, Chinese, whatever it is, coming together in fellowship, having a good time, and thanking for the back in the days for them going through what they went through for it to be like this for today. That's what I mean, Justin Lester. Bless you.
All right.
This is my prayer, Lord.
Yeah. Say it.
Each and every day.
Yeah.
That you will guide my footsteps. Yes, I someone said, Lord, I need you to direct me. All along the way, my love is all around me. Every day, somebody help me.
Jesus, be up in all around me. I'm asking you to prove that me. Yeah. I know you can. Yes, Lord. I know you will. Yes, Lord. Fight my battle. Yes, Lord. I keep still. Lord, it's all around me. Yeah. Come on, say it, Mark.
Times away, 'cause I'm all rough, y'all.
Yeah.
When the lights are so low, in my eyes, and all I need is touch the street on my soul. Come on, like a flash is around me. I need to be fast away. Oh, yeah, with the fence around me. Every day. Come on, y'all. Jesus.
Jesus, be up in all around me. I'm asking you to prove that someone can do what me. I travel along the way. Hey, I know you can. Yes, Lord. I know you will. Yes, Lord. Fight my battle. Yes, Lord. I keep still. Yes, Lord. Lord, we've been so around me. All right, come on, y'all. Here we go. Yeah. Jesus, be a witness. Jesus, be a witness. Be a witness right now. Jesus, be a witness. Be a witness right now. Jesus, be a witness. Be a witness right now. Be a witness. Be a witness right now. Jesus, be a witness. As I come and go. Jesus, be a witness. Be a witness right now. Jesus, be a witness. Be a witness right now. Jesus, be a witness. 'Cause I need protection.
Urban Crag Climbing Center is a rock gym located in Dayton, Ohio, with 8,000 feet of textured and sculpted vertical terrain ranging from 28 to 56 feet. For more info, go to urbancrag.com or call 937-224-CRAG.